Hi, I'm so excited that today I get to show you how to log on to Mathletics. So on your iPad, if you're using an iPad, there is an app, a Mathletics app, and all you have to do is click on the app and type in your username and password. But I don't have an iPad, so I'm going to show you how to do it on a computer. So all you do on a computer is you go into the address bar at the top and you just type in www.mathletics.com. Type that in, and then it brings up this page. You should see a similar page if you're on your iPad, and so you want to sign in, and I'm going to be a student because I'm pretending today to be Sandy student. All right, so I've already logged in on this computer before, so it saved my username and password. Your username is your first initial of your first name and your first initial of your last name. So it thinks I'm Sandy student, so that's why it gave me SS, and then a hyphen, and then a number that Mathletics gives you, and then the password is just a random password that Mathletics gives you. So your username and password, you should have that from an email from your teacher, your Mathletics username and password. So I have my username, I have my password, and then I'm going to click sign in, and it's going to take me to the page. So excited to show y'all this. It's so much fun. Mathletics is so much fun. Let's see. Okay, here we go. All right, so let me do a little adjusting so you can see better. There, I think that looks better. All right, so you can see at the top here it says Mathletics, and there's a couple of tabs at the top. This one says Learn, this one says Explore, this one says Play, this one says Review. And then this is how many points you've earned this week. So I've not gotten on to get any points this week. Later, when you're finished, you can click log out right here and you can log out of it. All right, same thing with your iPad. Okay, so if you click on learn, like right now this tab is open, it has this little arrow here. It gives you different topics that you can do. So I'm just going to show you an example of one. So I'm going to click on number and operations, counting and comparing. And when you click on that, it gives you different activities. Look at all the activities that you do. I'm going to do the first one first. It says order numbers to 10. So if you click on that, then it gives you 10 problems to do. It says what numeral is missing. And if you can't read, there's a little button right here.
What numeral is missing?
And she just read it for me. She said what numeral is missing. So I see 1, 2, 4, 5. So I know that that's supposed to be 3. And then I can go over here, see how it says 1, 2, 3, 4. I can click on the 3. There's the 3. Okay. And then after that, let me see if I have to scroll down or if I just hit return. Let's see. Oh, I just hit return and it gave me a check mark. All right. And then I hit return again and it gives me the next one. What numeral is missing? And it says 5, 7, 8, 9. So I know that's supposed to be 6. So I click 6 and then I do return. And it gave me a green check mark because I got it right. And then I hit return again. Now I'm going to get one wrong just so you can see what it looks like when you get one wrong. 5, 6, 7, 9. So I know that that's supposed to be 8, but I'm just going to click 7 just so you can see what it looks like when you get one wrong. I'm going to do 7, and then I do return, and it says X, but it tells me what the right answer was. It was supposed to be 8. Okay, so let's finish this one. 4, 5, 7, 8. So that's supposed to be 6. Return, return. And then 4, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 5. It's supposed to be 5. So 5, return, return. And then 3, 4, 5, 7. Oh, that's supposed to be 6. And then return, return. Let's see. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I did that one. Return, return. I must not have hit return the right way. Ooh, 1, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's supposed to be 2. 2. And then return, return. And then 2, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's supposed to be 3. Return, return. There we go. And then 2, 3. Ooh, that's supposed to be 4. Return, return. I'm going to get one more wrong just so you can see what it looks like. Again, 3, 4, 6, 7. Oh, that's supposed to be 5, but if I was going too fast, I might accidentally click 4. So I'm going to click 4 and hit return. No, that was wrong. It told me that it was really supposed to be the other answer. But then look at the end, it tells you, it says, well done, 8 out of 10. You beat your high score. You've been awarded an extra 10 credits. You're doing really well. And then you can try again. Or so if you did miss some, like see how I missed number 3 and number 10, maybe I want to do it again until I get 10 out of 10 right. I could click try again. But for now, I'm just going to click X. And then it's going to take me back to the main page and show me how I did on, so it shows a little 1 right here because I tried one of those. Let me click on it again and see how it gives me kind of a bar because I got 8 out of 10. If you get all 10 right, it goes all the way up and it'll be a gold bar and it'll say perfect. So those are activities and there's lots. You can do something that's easier or you can just keep doing the same thing. There's add and subtract. Ooh, algebraic reasoning. That sounds so fancy. Here's geometry with 2D shapes and 3D objects. You guys know how to do some of that. And then there's measurement and there's data analysis. All these activities are things that you are going to learn in kindergarten and you get to start working on it right now. All right, now there's something else that you can do also where it says play. If you click play, it lets you play live Mathletics and you can do a contest against another student at our school or another student somewhere else in the world who happens to be on Mathletics at the same time as you are, or if you want to, you can play against the computer. So I'm going to click play and let's see what I get. It says enter the exciting world of live Mathletics. Get matched against students in your own class or on the other side of the world. So let me click play and let's see who I get matched with and what I have to do. So I can play someone else in my school if I click this one, but right now no one's online. See how there's a 0? I can play someone else in the world. Right now there are 2,638 students in the world who are on Mathletics. I can also click someone in my class and it says online 1. So let me play somebody else who's in my class. Let me see if it can find them. So I clicked on that and now I'm going to click go. Oh, and you'll notice up here at the top, it has me on level 1. You want to start on level 1 because like 2 is for a 2nd grader and 3 is for a 3rd grader. It goes all the way up to 10 is for a 10th grader. So I'm going to be on 1 and I'm going to say go. And let's see who it matches me with. I wonder if it'll be someone whose name I recognize. Because, you know, it only shows you like the first name of who you're playing against and maybe their last name initial. Let's see. And then I have to get ready to play because it's going to start asking me questions. Who am I playing against? Oh, computer, computer, computer. I'm just playing against computer. 2 plus 5 is 7. So I'm going to click 7 and then return. 2 plus 4 is 6. So I'm going to click 6 and then return. And then 5 plus 5 is 10. So I'm going to do a 1 and a 0 and return. And you can see that there's a timer that's counting down. And this Mega Brain computer player is beating me. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3, oh, that's 6 again. Let me show you what happens when I get one wrong. That's supposed to be 7. And if I click 6, it makes that noise at me. I don't want to get those wrong, but that's okay. 2 plus 2 is 4. Oh, 2 plus 2 again is 4. That Mega Brain is beating me. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 3 is 6. Oh my goodness, I want to catch them. 6, 8, 6, 8. Oh, 8, 7, 10, 2. Game over. Ooh, I tied with the Mega Brain. That's so fun. So it says, congratulations, you have achieved a high score. So I got 10 credits. So the more credits that you get, and then it shows me at the end that I got that one wrong, that the right answer to 4 plus 3 was not 6, it was 7. So this is just a really fun way to get your math brain going. Now you'll see down here you can do play again or you can do exit. So I'm going to exit And then there's this is live Mathletics if I wanted to play again. Or if I want to back, there's a little back arrow, so let me back it up. And it should take me back to my main screen. And so I just wanted to tell you today about learn with the activities and play with the live Mathletics. But look, just those two things, look how many points. I got 99 points. I'm so excited. 99 points just from doing two things. You can learn so much on here. So for now, I'm going to show you, here's the log out button. So I'm going to log out, and then it says, are you sure you want to log out? And I'm going to do the check mark because I really do want to log out. Okay, thanks for watching. If you need anything, you can contact one of your teachers, or you can contact me or your teacher, and we would love to help you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.